In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open another Exness demo account in Metatrader 5, step by step, from inside your Exness personal area. First, make sure you're logged into your Exness account on your browser. Once you're on the main page, look towards the top of the screen for the icon with 9 small dots, usually in a grid pattern. This is your main menu. Click on those 9 dots to open the list of options available in your account. From that menu, you'll see an option called Personal Area. Go ahead and click on Personal Area. This is basically your main dashboard where you can manage all your accounts, settings, and trading tools under Exness. Inside your personal area, look for the section labeled My Accounts. This is where every trading account linked to your profile is listed, including both real and demo accounts. Click on My Accounts so that you can see all the accounts you've already created. At the top of this area, you'll notice tabs or filters. Find the one that says Demo and click on it. This tells Exness to only show your demo accounts, which are practice accounts that use virtual money and are perfect for testing strategies without risking real funds. Once you're inside the demo section, look for a button that says Open Account. This is usually quite visible and might be on the right side of the screen. Click on Open Account to start the process of creating a new demo account. You'll then see different account types. For this guide, choose the standard option. A standard demo account is a good all-around choice, especially if you're just practicing or testing robots and strategies in Metatrader 5. Click on standard to select it, and then click on continue to move to the next page. On the next screen, you'll need to fill in the account details. Here, you can usually set things like the trading platform type, which should be Metatrader 5, the account currency, leverage, and the amount of virtual balance you want. Take a moment to choose values that match how you plan to practice. For example, you might set the balance similar to what you'd realistically deposit in a real account, so your practice is more realistic. After you've filled in all the necessary details, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Double check that everything looks correct, and when you're ready, click on Create Account. Exness will finish setting up your new demo account, and you'll see it appear in your list of demo accounts, ready to be added and used in Metatrader 5.